Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. From 2X Gen Collectors, I'm Amy, and this is David.
And we just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving, and we wanted to bring you along with our Thanksgiving Day. We'll take you from kind of start to finish. There'll be some turkey math. If you don't know what turkey math is, you have to stick around. She doesn't even know what turkey math is.
He starts saying numbers, and I'm just like, peace out.
Yeah, I break down turkey math in such detail. You don't want to miss it, so you have to stick around for that. And there's also an emergency run.
Oh my gosh, yes.
To Meijer's.
Yes.
So strap in.
I think we used at least 3 pounds of butter today.
3 pounds? Yeah,
3 pounds.
That's about average.
Yeah.
So, yep, strap in, have a good time. Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you when we're done.
Yeah.
All right. Now for the most important part. We have to do turkey math. So I will take you through step by step. If you want to pause along the way and take some notes, that's probably recommended because this is quite advanced. And as you know, if you've really been cooking a turkey, this is the most important part of Thanksgiving. So all right, so for our situation, we have a 16-pound turkey. And in my air fryer, it works out to 10 minutes per pound. Okay, so if you do the math on that, so you take your 16 over 10, you reduce it by common denominator of 2, and then multiply that by 60 to get the minutes. That will give you 160 minutes. Okay. And then what I like to do really is to take that and really get that into seconds. So you take the 160 minutes times 60 seconds. Okay, and again, we're going to cross multiply, divide that by 10, and then once again, we would probably need to multiply, that by 24. And that gives us 9,600 seconds. Okay. And to help with the cook time, because you're going to want to know really hours and minutes, what that's going to take. So you'll take your seconds, and on that, we'll need to multiply 1 by 24, and then take that, and then you're going to need to then multiply by 2, and then divide by 6, and that will give you 2 hours and 40 minutes. Now that's the cook time. Okay, we will want it to rest, and that's going to be a 1 hour rest time. And then I can't forget about the prep, so let's just give it a 2-minute prep. And then we are looking at that. Take that, you'll need to carry the 1 over, divide that one by 6, round that up to the nearest hour 3, and then 3 hours and 50 minutes. Now here's where it gets real confusing. We need to put this into clock time because we're trying to figure out when to start the turkey. So this needs to all be in clock time. So again, on the clock, you get 12, 6, 3, and 9. We do know we want to eat at 3. And then we have 3 hours and 50 minutes of total time is what I'm going to call that. So you're going to want to take the time plus the total time, okay? And if for standard clock time, you just will multiply that by 12. If you want to take it to military time, you will times that by 24, and then both of those you'll need to divide by 120. And then in this example, if we take that multiply, that gives us 11:10 a.m. Now, I will need to take into consideration daylight savings time. And in our time zone, that is a minus 10 minutes. So that would be 11 a.m. Again, that is for Eastern Standard Time. If you're in a different time zone, you'll need to take your time zone minus 6 and then divide that by 2. And that should work out for you on that. So that's how you figure that out, right? When to put the turkey on. Pretty simple, but very crucial. This is a college level course. So please like and subscribe if you want some more math tips. Comment down below what other math tips you would like. But thanks, everybody. It's about turkey time.
Well, that was our Thanksgiving Day, guys. Thanks for being here with us. Guess what time it is? It's starting to look a lot like Christmas.
Yep, Thanksgiving's over. Bring on Christmas.
I'm excited. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Tell us some of your family traditions. We would love to know about them. Thank you, guys. Love you. Bye.